Dumi Masila's last episode on Rhythm City. Last night it was the late Dumi Masila's last episode on Aunt Soapy Rhythm City. Dumi, who played Sfizo on the set Soapy, was killed in Tembiza recently and is survived by his wife, Sci-Fi Wangema. In his remembrance, Sci-Fi has been updating a series of posts regarding her eternal love to her late husband. Even after last night's episode, she posted a screenshot displaying the names of actors, actresses, producers amongst other role players on Rhythm City. This was to show that although she accepted that his husband is no more till they meet again, however, his is undying spirit and her love is eternal.